In this video, I'll show you what Midjourney Discord is and how to use AI to create stunning images from your imagination. So what you need to do first is open your Google browser and then type on the link https://discord.com/invite/Midjourney. So I'll be putting the link here. In here, just go ahead and tap accept invite. And this will then open up Discord, and then you will then join the server. So as you can see at the bottom, the server menu. In here, go to the most popular channel. This will be hashtag newbies with numbers. Go ahead and select that one. So once in here, the /imagine command will automatically generate the prompt column. So I will be showing you how. Just type in /imagine space, and then the prompt column will automatically be here. So after the prompt column, then you will be needing to type in your keywords or type in your text. So do not delete the prompt column text or the command won't work. So once you're done, just go ahead and send that one. So you will just have to wait for your image to be done. And that's how to use Midjourney AI image creator on Discord. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.